Baby, is that you? I was wondering when you were gonna get home. I was getting worried what with the weather picking up out there. Oh my god, baby. What happened? You were stuck out in that storm? Oh no, you poor thing. Come here. Oh, poor baby. If I'd known the storm was gonna move in this fast, I would have offered to go run your errands with you. Oh my god, you're absolutely freezing. This jacket is soaked through with melting snow. How long were you stuck outside in the storm? Seriously? Oh. I think I liked you better as a partner than an icicle, baby. Come on, let's get that jacket off of you. Damn, that snow really soaked through. Let's get you warmed up by the fire, okay? Go ahead and have a seat on the floor for me, baby. Don't give me that look. There's a method to my madness, I promise. I'll get you cuddled up on the couch in no time, but for now, just sit down by the fire. That's it. Now you just get nice and toasty while I... Oh, perfect timing. I was actually getting ready to make some hot chocolate when you got here. Let me go get that, and I'll grab a towel for you while I'm up, okay? That cocoa smells so good right now. I grabbed a towel to dry you off while that cools. Don't need you stuck in wet clothes while you're nearly frozen to death, do we? That's better. Nice and dry. No frostbite for you tonight, babe. And now, you can move to the couch. I just didn't want you getting it soaked with melted snow. And then we'll get you wrapped up nice and tight in some blankets. There we go, that's right. Gotta make sure we warm you up as much as possible. We don't want you getting sick after all. How's that? Feeling cozy? Good. We've moved from icicle to blanket burrito. Here's your hot chocolate, sweetie. This new brand you got is delicious. You've got excellent taste. Though it seems like maybe I should be doing grocery shopping with you now if this weather keeps up. You're not exactly built for below freezing conditions, you know. Oh no, it's true. I'm not either. But either way, we've got to get all domestic in these conditions to stay warm. What you talking about? I big strong farm girl. I will go out and provide for the family. It's gaslight gatekeep girl boss. But no, from now on, we should definitely try to travel together, just to make sure that you don't get stuck outside alone again. Grocery runs can be like little dates. Wouldn't that be fun? Well, yes, I'd obviously want to be involved in the grocery selection process. Excuse me? I do not have the palate of a child. Look, just because I like to sneak off to the Pop-Tart section doesn't mean that I can't still be a helpful grocery shopping assistant. You'll see. Besides, you can't tell me that you don't like Pop-Tarts. They're so tasty. Our pantry would be vastly improved by the presence of the two. Maybe even 3 varieties of prepackaged frosted breakfast pastries. Yep, definitely. fine. I'll leave the grocery list to you. Spoil sport. You can get whatever boring, non-sugary foods you want, so long as I get to accompany you as your personal emergency space heater. What do you mean? Of course I'm a good source of heat. I'm super warm. I'm a cute girl-shaped heating pad, basically. Fine, I'll prove it. Scoot over, my little burrito. There. And lay down on... Okay, fine. Drop yourself on me like a sack of rocks, why don't you? No, I'm kidding, baby. I'm fine. Lay back down. For someone who doubted my abilities as a source of warmth, you sure were eager to cuddle on top of me. Almost like you were pretending to doubt me, just to get some cuddles. Nah, that couldn't be it. You're far too sweet and angelic and pure to ever do something so underhanded. Must be my imagination. Isn't that right? Yeah. Just be glad that I wanted this just as much as you did. Hold still. Let me get you another sip of that cocoa. Don't move. I don't want to spill this all over you. Warm beverage, warm fire, warming you. What an ideal way to wait out a snowstorm. Much better than your way. Imagine being stranded outside in that blizzard. Couldn't be me. Only some kind of idiot would. I'm kidding. I'm very thankful for your dangerous trek to the store. I mean, without it, we wouldn't have more packets of this delicious cocoa. And, food and stuff. My poor little burrito. What a horrible evening you've had. At least you're safe here. Now, in my arms. You don't have to go back outside in that cold anymore, baby. Just snuggle up against my chest and let me hold you. That's it. You can even take a little nap.